For this video we are going to use an Arduino Uno, a breadboard with a 1K resistor. It could be 220 ohms or 10K, 5K, there would be no problem. Our LED, this is a red LED. 2 male cables. And our cable to upload the program. We open the Arduino IDE, we are going to open a new one, a new sketch, we delete everything that appears. We are going to start by declaring which pin the LED is going to be connected to. And here we are going to place the number or the pin where we are going to connect the LED. In this case it will be on pin number 7, done. We open the boy setup. In the boy setup we are only going to configure our Arduino, or what we do is configure the Arduino so that it is ready to execute the boy loop. We add the mode pin, because we have to configure this pin as an output since we want to turn on the LED, right? We place the pin that we want to configure, which is LED or the variable, and we are going to configure this as an output with the output. We place the semicolon, and we have our pin ready to send a signal to our LED. We open the boy loop to start creating our code, although we are already creating our code, ready. We are going to start by turning on the LED with digitalWrite. We place the LED and for it to turn on we have to set the height. We do not forget the semicolon. We are going to put a delay of 1 second, as it is in milliseconds, a second is 1000. Now after 1 second passes the LED will turn off. We turn off by placing long. Done. We also place a delay of 1 second. We now have our code ready. We are going to click on Verify. This appears. Because we have to save it, we click on Save. You are already compiling the code. We already have our code compiled. Now we would only have to connect our Arduino. We already have our Arduino connected. We are going to select Tools and we are going to choose the board, which is the Arduino Uno that we are using. The port also, which is port 6. Ready. And we upload the program. We have already uploaded our program to our Arduino board. There we see the message in the ID, which has been uploaded. That code has been uploaded to our card, so we just have to connect our LED to our Arduino. The longest pin, which would be this would be the anode. There we have it. You can see it there. I don't know. The longest pin is the anode. So let's put it here. So, let's connect the anode to the resistor. Let's see. I've plugged it in. I think it's a little bit more here. Okay, it's right. The anode is connected to the resistor. There it is. And from the output of the resistor, we are going to connect it. There is the output of the resistor to pin number 7 of the Arduino. There is pin 7. Let's see. Ready. I already connected to pin 7. I just need to connect the GND to the other LED pin. Let's see. There you can see it. And we connect it to the GND. Ready. And there we watch how it turns on and off. If we want the power on, let's say, to last longer than the power off, we just go to the code, the delay, and change from 1 to 3000 milliseconds, which would be 3 seconds of power on. Let's see, it's collecting and it's uploading. It has already gone up and now let's observe that it stays off for 3 seconds. I mean, 3 seconds on and 1 second off. 1, 2, 3. And it went off. 1, 2, 3. And it went off. Well, that would be all for this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. In the next video I am going to show how to do the same, but with a button, with a push button. I hope you liked this video.